Good afternoon, New Zealand. It's Tom here from SsangYong LDV in Takanini, and hey, I'm going to run you through our little Friday video. We're going to show you a bit about what we've got floating around, a few of the good looking vehicles that we've got for sale here on the yard, and hey, give you a bit of insight into an upcoming promotion that we've got going on, which is definitely going to put a smile on the dial, that's for sure. But so first things first, obviously we are quite lucky here in Takanini to be holding on to quite a lot of new and used vehicles. To be fair, probably one of only a few dealerships in the country that have a lot of late model stock from, hey, your Wild Track Rangers, your two-tone custom built Rextons, even down to a Navara with a canopy. So we're pretty lucky. Would love to see you here and be able to take you through a few of these vehicles. But now, coming to the fun part. So you guys are hearing about this first. A few of the staff here don't even know we're doing this. We had a bit of a planning meeting this morning, and hey, we're going to put it into practice. So what we're going to do is over the next 4 months, if you purchase a new vehicle from us here in Takanini or our brothers out in West Auckland, we're going to put you in the draw to win one of 4 trips to Rarotonga. Yes, that's right. All you need to do is purchase one of these beautiful vehicles here. So not only do you get the chance to drive away in a beautiful car, you also go in the draw to win a trip to Rarotonga. Now obviously we're still ironing out a few of the little bits and pieces as to where you're going to stay, who you're going to be flying with, but hey, that's not here nor there. We'll make sure we get you there for the fun times. So even down to absolutely stunning blacked out Rexton like this, could be all of yours. Of course you'd have to park it at the airport while you're in Rarotonga, but that's all you need to know. From there we'll make a few plans with ourselves and yourself. We'll get you over to Rarotonga, we'll get you a bit of sunshine, we'll get some accommodation and food and maybe a cocktail or two into you. And hey, it's going to be a good time, especially when you get away from all of this dreary weather that we've got here. But quick little run around, obviously we've got a few more vehicles down here, as I've shown a very wide variety of stock, even down to a custom built Roush Mustang, which I'm sure most of you have probably seen online as well, and all of our 7-seaters, our utes and the vans over the back there. To keep everything fair, we are going to be drawing it live on Facebook, so hopefully you're one of the lucky ones that can hear your name come out. But any of these vehicles, anything that you see here, except for Chris, you can't buy him, well you probably can buy him actually if you want, he's free to a good home, we will be able to have you basically in the draw. So hey, don't forget guys, you heard it here first, we are going to be sending 4 people, well 8 people, 4 trips to Rarotonga, and hey, you could be in with a win. So give us a call, pop in and see us this weekend, and hey, we'll look forward to seeing you. Cheers for that. Have a good one.